and you already know how we're doing. So this vlog is gonna be exciting. I am excited myself for it. Hopefully we expect the best, as always. So stay tuned. I have a cold and I have a cough, and every time I get a cold it's very very bad, and I mean very bad, but I'm pushing through, so that's fine. Oh yeah, my flight takes off at 6 a.m. and so the whole of yesterday I was packing because the past 2 days I've been sick. It's all good, it's all good. I hope you enjoy this vlog. This is going to be quite different because I don't think I have one on my channel. Alright guys, I'm on my way to board the plane. Spot my new shoes. Hi guys, so I'm at my first layover, which is in Montreal. Montreal, that's how they say in French, en français. So yeah, I'm going to my gate number, which is 51, just to familiarize myself with the place. And then I saw Tim Hortons, so I will be going there. Guys, What? Oh shit. Wrong upside. I am economic, not whatever. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm currently boarding the flight to Calgary. That would be my next layover. Throughout the aircraft. Please comply with them at all times. So we're here. So this is my condo unit. This is it. There's a barbecue grill here and a chair, and then let's go inside. So a couch, TV, that's the living room area, and then this is the kitchen. Everything is finished, which I'm in love with. Like, bro, just look at that. I didn't have to stress about getting all these. Oh, there's some here. Oh my goodness, I didn't know. But yeah, I'm so excited. There's the fridge, and then you can get water from the fridge, and there's the dishwasher, the oven, the stove. Like, it's just so pretty. What is here? Okay, nothing. All right, and then this is basically the entrance from like when you enter the building. This is like storage, broom, swipe and vacuum cleaner. And moving on to the laundry room, we have washer and dryer, I believe, and some extra stuff. But yeah, pretty. And then that's my roommate's bedroom. He had the master bedroom because he was here first, and then this is my room. Yeah, I arrived last night and I wasn't really feeling too well, so this is the next day in the morning. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, I just put some stuff up there, and then my luggage there. Not too much. Yeah. Then my view would basically be what you saw when we were outside. Nothing much. Yeah, I can't even see. Anyways. Yeah. And then my bathroom. You know, the mess, whatever. But yeah. And this is me. Let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you would want me to do now that I'm coming here for work. So yeah, actually work starts today. It's currently, what's the time? Let's go check the time. Okay, currently 6:50 a.m. So it's my first day today, and I was like, okay, let me just record my first day today. At 7:45, someone will come pick me up and send me to the office. I'm supposed to take a drug and alcohol test, and apparently from what I've heard so far, a lot of people do drugs here. So that is why they require employees to do the drug and alcohol test. Yeah, I'm currently eating. I forgot to take my tripod stand, so I'll have to be holding the phone as well as placing the phone somewhere to support. But yeah, this shouldn't be too bad. The pan looks very oily, but what the just frying one egg. Yeah, so I don't really know if I'll be able to record like when I go and do my drug and alcohol test and when I go to the office, because as I said, I don't know how comfortable everyone would be with me recording. Yeah. Their sauce is too much. But this, so good. Oh my god. It has all the active probiotics that, you know, the girlies. It's good for everywhere. This place, if I'm to show you around, like, it's very dispersed. Like, buildings are further apart from one another. Like, buildings look old, and I don't know. Yeah, I have work, so I'll be going to my workplace. Yeah, after some time, when I settle and I get to know everybody and get to know whether they don't mind, I definitely will record. But don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comment section below so that I can know what to do for you guys. Alright, as always, I'll be back with more videos, so stay tuned.